A common question with Graco Simple Sway Swing is on Graco Swing cover replacement as well as how to clean Graco Simple Sway Swing. Why can't they make it less confusing? Anyway, I show Graco Swing cover removal and putting back after washing step by step, and I start right now. Let's start Graco Swing cover replacement by removing the seat from the frame. Unbutton the first snap on the seat like this. The seat is attached to the swing frame with push buttons. Release it. Repeat this for the other side. First unbutton and then release the push pin. Turn the seat and unbutton all these snaps. Release these two snaps from the seat frame. Take the vibration unit from the hole in the seat pad. Unwrap the seat pad. This video is not sponsored, and I also spent lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better, by leaving a short or one-word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue with the video. Use a screwdriver to unscrew this joint and release the straps. Now we remove the seat pad. So how to wash Graco swing cover? You can machine wash the seat pad in cold water and delicate cycle. Don't use bleach and do not iron the seat pad. Now I show you how to put on Graco Simple Sway swing cover after cleaning. Attach the straps with the screws like this. Now we attach the seat pad to the seat frame by inserting the top of the frame into the seat pad like this. This is the vibration unit and its battery compartment. Start wrapping the seat pad on the bottom side by putting the vibration unit inside the seat pad hole. The unit stays out of the seat pad. Wrap the seat pad around the frame like this. Yeah, as you see, I have to use a little force to put it on. Attach the seat pad to the seat wire using these two snaps like this. Start from the side and snap the seat pad around the seat frame. The middle snap is a little different. The one on the right is double-sided. So it goes on top of the left and also snaps into the top snap. Your seat should look like this. To put the seat onto the swing frame, you insert the two metal tubes into the plastic holes on the seat. Make sure the seat is secure. By the way, I have other videos on assembly, disassembly and battery of this Graco Simple Sway Swing if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.